Hi guys, it's Ann here, and today's video is another clean with me video. I know that these videos are not everybody's favorite, they're not regular for my channel, but this is where I'm currently at right now, so I kind of feel like I need to film these. I won't be doing, this might be the last one that I do for a while. I really need to clean my kitchen slash living room space. This is sort of the outcome of cleaning up my den. My den is now like fairly clean and organized, so I've been sort of holing up in there and ignoring the disaster that is my living room. This half doesn't look so bad. I mean, it doesn't look great, but this doesn't look so bad. The other side is definitely not too pretty. So yeah, I do hope you enjoy these videos. Like I said, they're not very regular for my channel. This will probably be the last one that I do for a little while, but I personally need to get this done. I also want to use this space to film a little get ready with me later, so I kind of need to clean it up to do that. So here we go. I just want to point out that that is the pet corner. I'm going to deal with that another day. Okay, I just need the floor to dry a little bit. Actually, want to talk about that. That's a steam cleaner. I hate it. I used to have a little Shark steam cleaner that I love because it was actually steam and it dried very quickly. This steam cleaner is just so much more wet. It's streaky. It leaves marks. I got it from Amazon. Don't get it. It's the H2O one. I really miss my Shark one. I kind of want to rebuy my Shark one. And I hate getting rid of something that's still functional. Like, it's not broken. I just don't like it. half of the room is done. Now onto the scarier half of the room. Whew, not looking forward to this, and please don't judge me too harshly. It's not great. Okay, please do not judge me too harshly. This is the disaster of my living room. That's the fallout of the den cleanup. That's actually, they're all empty boxes. I just need to deal with them. This is really just an exercise in tidying up. I've already done the shelves, like dusted and stuff. This little guy wants a treat, so we're gonna do that right now. And yeah, let's just get started. Alright, that is it for now. That's as tidy as she's gonna get. I still have to do some other stuff, like wash the couch cover, which as of right now is just a sheet, and break down the rest of those boxes, which is gonna be a good time. But happy to get that stuff out of my apartment. I'm gonna keep a couple of boxes because I still am doing some reorganization, so a couple of boxes are handy to have while I'm moving some things around. But yeah, I hope you like this video. This is my last little clean with me for at least this year. I don't know if I'll do any more next year. I mean, my apartment's not really going to change a whole lot. I want to change a bunch of stuff, but I don't know if that'll happen next year. I think COVID will have a major factor. Like, I want to get rid of this and put a proper, I want to do like an ottoman type coffee table, like one that has storage inside. I need to buy like a new, so I only have one chair left. I had two of these chairs. Actually, that chair, good thing you can't see it close up. It's actually like destroyed from when I had the foster kittens plus my last foster cat. The chairs were really old anyway, and they were pretty rough, but they're extra rough now. So I did throw out the one chair. I want to get like maybe like a, what do you call them? Chaise lounge, like sort of half couch thing to put on this side. So yeah, and I still keep humming and hawing about painting my walls, but just the idea of painting seems a bit daunting, so I don't know if I will do that. I definitely will be doing my bathroom, like painting it and just refreshing it a little bit, so I'll probably film that in the new year at some point. So that'll be my next sort of house video, but that probably won't be till like late January, early February by the time I post that. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give it a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.